Most folks don't think much about their differential. Plenty of drivers don't even know their car has one. But if you've ever wondered how your car's wheels can spin at different speeds when you're turning a corner, that's the differential at work. It's tucked inside your drivetrain, quietly doing its job. The bad news is, like any other mechanical part, differentials wear out. And when they start failing, the symptoms can sneak up on you. If you ignore them too long, you're looking at a very expensive repair or even a dangerous breakdown. Let's walk through the telltale signs, why they happen, how risky they are, and what it'll cost to fix. It's the Car Problems YouTube channel. Subscribe, and let's get started. First, what does a differential do? Think of a differential like a referee between your wheels. When you go straight, both wheels spin the same speed, no problem. But when you turn, the inside wheel travels a shorter distance than the outside wheel. The differential makes sure each wheel can spin at the right speed while still delivering power from the engine. Front-wheel drive cars usually have the differential built into the transaxle. Rear-wheel drive vehicles often have a rear differential. All-wheel drive setups may have differentials front, rear, and sometimes even in the center. No matter where it's located, the job is the same: smooth turns and steady power. Sign number 1. Whining or howling sounds. One of the first giveaways of a bad differential is noise. You might hear a high-pitched whining or a low growl when you're cruising, especially when you accelerate or decelerate. That sound usually comes from worn-out gears or bearings inside the differential. Fresh gear oil is supposed to lubricate and cushion them, but if it's low, dirty, or been ignored for years, the metal starts grinding. Sign number 2. Clunking or banging. During shifts, if you hear a solid clunk when shifting into gear or while accelerating from a stop, don't ignore it. That's often play in the differential gears or worn universal joints in the driveline. Every bit of slop in that system gets magnified into a jolt you can hear and feel. Over time, those clunks turn into broken parts if not addressed. Sign number 3. Vibrations while driving. Ever feel a vibration that's not from your tires or wheels? If the differential bearings are shot or the gears are wearing unevenly, you may feel a steady vibration through the floor, especially at highway speeds. Drivers often mistake this for tire balance issues, but if balancing doesn't solve it, the differential is a suspect. Sign number 4. Fluid leaks and burning smell. The differential is filled with thick gear oil, and it's sealed up with gaskets to keep everything lubricated. If you notice puddles of oily fluid under the middle or rear of your car, or a burning gear oil smell after driving, that's trouble. Running a differential low on fluid is a sure way to cook the gears. Once that happens, it's only a matter of time before the whole unit seizes up. Sign number 5. Difficulty handling or tire wear. A failing differential doesn't distribute power correctly. That can make the car feel off in turns, like it's fighting you instead of gliding smoothly. In some cases, it'll also chew through tires unevenly because the wheels aren't rotating at the right speeds. If you're rotating and replacing tires more often than seems normal, a bad diff might be behind it. Those are the main signs to watch for. Why do differentials fail? The big culprit is neglect. Differential fluid doesn't get changed nearly as often as engine oil, so people forget about it. Old, dirty fluid loses its ability to protect the gears. Add in hard use, like towing, hauling heavy loads, or aggressive driving, and you've got a recipe for premature wear. Off-road driving and water intrusion can also mess with seals and bearings. What's the risk of driving with a bad differential? Here's the blunt truth. You can drive for a little while with a noisy or leaky differential, but it's a ticking time bomb. Best case, you'll deal with constant noise and poor handling. Worst case, the gears lock up completely at highway speed, which can cause you to lose control of the vehicle. That's not something you want to gamble on. So while it might limp along for weeks or months, every mile you drive with a failing diff is adding stress and making the eventual repair bill higher. Repair costs. What to expect. Fluid change. If you catch it early and it's just dirty or low fluid, a drain and refill might cost $80 to $150. Bearing or seal replacement. Replacing worn bearings or fixing a leak usually runs $200 to $400 in labor plus parts. Gear replacement or rebuild. If the gears are chewed up, rebuilding the differential can cost anywhere from $800 to $1,500. Full replacement. On some vehicles, especially AWD systems, a whole new differential may run $15 to $30. Trucks and SUVs are usually on the higher side because their differentials are larger and designed to handle heavier loads. Can you prevent differential problems? Absolutely. The number one step is servicing the differential fluid on schedule, usually every 30,000 to 60,000 miles depending on your vehicle. Use the manufacturer-recommended gear oil and make sure it's filled to the proper level. If you tow, haul, or drive off-road, service it more often. Also, keep an eye out for leaks and don't ignore noises or vibrations. Small fixes today prevent monster bills tomorrow,